Okay, let's see if we can get her installed on the engine. First thing we got to do, put a little dab of grease on the pilot shaft of the input. It goes into the pilot bearing, keep it nice and lubed. Get all our bolts ready. It'll be Loctite. Hopefully it just slides right on there. Got to get the bell housing tucked up underneath the exhaust header here, so I got to pick the tail housing up a little bit. There she goes. Pop her in gear. Okay. Lower the jack down a tiny bit. I'm going to start a bolt just to kind of help align things up. There she goes. Everything looks good. Let's get the jack out of here. Okay, we'll put some Loctite on the other bolts and start putting them in. Okay, now we'll put the starter back in. There it is. What you do is put it back in the car now. Now, in case you were wondering, the gear ratios: 201 first gear, 158 second gear, 128 third gear, and of course fourth gear is 1:1. It's looking good. We'll put her back in the car, get everything hooked up, wired up, give her a test run. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.